we direct our attention to the sky, the French will be a big part of what we celebrate this afternoon, and we're so happy to have them here. Culminating this afternoon with the Blue Angels at 2:30, and in between, inside jumpers with that back cargo ramp open, getting ready to get things underway. Earlier you saw the wind drift indicators drop. The wind blade at its center stage, just to the left of the Blue Angels, is the drop zone. They've already done the math on where they have to exit the airplane for their best chances to land right on the target. But watch now as they pass over show center and get ready to exit the airplane. Michael's braking right and getting ready to circle. We've got a jumper away. See that tiny little black dot? Reaching terminal velocity, about 120 miles an hour, where I'm told the air pushes back on you like a big pillow. And I'm going to take this jumper's word for it, because I have not the courage to try this. We have a good canopy. RJ Gritter is up above as well, and all of this will start to help us zone in on the jumper. And here's a cool thing about the ground. It's a great reflector of sound. So if you make some noise for our jumper high above, he can hear you loud and clear. Parachute team, its whole volunteer team, Midshipmen skydivers. Their jumps represent the Naval Academy's commitment to excellence, leadership, and public outreach. Shortly, I'll be handing things over to the Patuxent voices. They will invite you to join us, not just yet. You've got to time this perfectly. And there's a lot on my shoulders right now. The flag is being revealed, but we're about ready to now hand things over to the singers. Please join us in the national anthem. Right on target to get things underway. Now high above, the rest of the team is getting ready to jump in and get us started as well. With lots more red, white, and blue, I'm going to hand things over to Midshipman Noah Hernandez. Noah, take it away.
Advanced leadership skills to positively represent the Naval Academy in collegiate parachuting competitions, sport parachute demonstrations, and execute public parachute demonstrations like today. your attention to the sky. Our first jumper has ignited his red smoke rocket, and you will soon see him exit from the Blue Angel KC-130. There they go. Our jumpers are exiting the aircraft at 6,000 feet and will reach speeds of 120 miles per hour before opening their parachutes. Today we have 7 jumpers under blue and gold canopies, as well as 1 white and blue canopy from the Air Force Academy. The jumpers speaking today are from the current senior and junior classes and were commissioned into various communities in the Navy and Marine Corps, such as Naval Aviation, Naval Special Warfare, Marine Ground, Submarines, and Surface Warfare. We also have 1 jumper from the Air Force Academy with Wings of Blue with us today while she is conducting a summer internship in Annapolis. The Naval Academy is one of 5 service academies across the country and is located in nearby Annapolis, Maryland. Each year, the Academy commissions roughly 1,000 officers in the Navy and Marine Corps. Over the course of 4 years, midshipmen at the Academy complete an undergraduate degree while undergoing continuous moral, mental, and physical military development to prepare them for commissioning. The Naval Academy's parachute team is one of the many unique opportunities midshipmen can experience during their 4 years. After trying out during their freshman year, midshipmen spend their time learning both free fall and parachute disciplines.
There, so you give them a good shout out. That's a great thank you for their service. These are the Indians building the academy to serve this great nation. I don't know, you jumped in yesterday. What was that like? No one's going to convince me to never want to do this. I just don't have the courage. I'd be in the fetal position crying up there with my thumb firmly stuck in my mouth. You would have to pry me away from the side door and just try and kick me out to do this. But this must feel pretty exhilarating when you go.
Pretty awesome, right? It's not even feeling like the real.
I'm going to take your word for it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, one last thing before our final jumpers land. Following the demonstration jump, the team will be packing in a grass strip near the runway and walking around the airshow vendors, where you can watch them. Go Navy, beat Army!
Thank you for the commitment, Noah. And once again, as the final jumpers are drifting down, please give it up for them. Flying is what they're doing. Pulling down on the cords the way the Wright brothers used to do. worked the ailerons when it all began in this great nation. Tugging down on the toggle, getting it turned around and around, having a great time drifting slowly to the ground. And we thank the goats for being here to get things open. Outstanding. All of them right into the drop zone with precision and grace. Please give it up to those who jumped from the Naval Academy, ladies and gentlemen, as we're just getting started. Now we're going to get the Hercules to work on the testing in this very base. And the mighty Hercules recovering now in all its girth, all its size, and everything I like about an airplane. One of my favorites right there. Oh, that glass up in the cockpit too. Tonight and every day, we're celebrating so much as a nation. 250 years. And we've got so much red, white, and blue to come. Very shortly, you're going to see one of the best of the best in the world.
Yeah, we over now.
He happens to be American. He's going to lay you just a bit of a tease for what to expect this afternoon. In fact, two of our gifted performers and pilots. But right now, listen to the power of the mighty Hercules as it slows down and gets tucked away. And here come the goats now. They gathered up their parachutes. Over 100 pounds of kit they've got over their shoulders. They'll be walking in to read back and talk to you. Give it up for them again. The outstanding